In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage categories in Wix Stores. If you want to keep your online store organized and make it easier for customers to browse, categories are a great tool. They help group similar products together, like shoes, accessories, or any other product type you sell. In Wix, creating and updating categories is pretty straightforward, and in this video, I will walk you through the process clearly from start to finish. To create a new category, start by going to your Wix dashboard. Once you are there, look over to the left-hand side and click on Catalog. After that, select the Store Products tab and then click Categories. This is where you'll manage the different product groupings for your store. Next, click the New Category button. Wix will open a setup area where you can enter your category details. Start by typing in a category name. This should be something clear and easy for customers to understand, such as shoes or accessories. A simple descriptive name works best because it helps shoppers quickly find what they're looking for. You can also optionally add a header image and a short description. These are not required, but they can make your category page look more polished and informative. A header image can give the page a more professional appearance, while a short description can help explain what kinds of products customers will find in that category. After that, click Add Products to choose which items belong in this category. This is an important step because the category won't be very useful unless the right products are assigned to it. Take a moment to select the items that match the category name so everything stays organized and accurate. Once your products are added, make sure the Active on your site option is turned on if you want customers to see the category. If this setting is off, the category will stay in your dashboard but won't appear on your live site. When everything looks good, click Save. To manage and edit categories later, go back to your categories dashboard. If you want to change the order in which categories appear on your website, click and drag the reorder icon next to a category and move it into place. This is helpful if you want certain categories to appear first. If you want to hide a category without deleting it, simply toggle the active switch to inactive. This is useful for internal organization or temporary changes. To add or remove products from a category, click on the category, then use the Add Products button to update what's included. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.